Hello, this is Carlos the FEESH. I'm back with another road sign. You can learn some history while you are pooping. I am here at road sign 3B number 70. This says Captain Ellis Harper, 1842 to 1908. 3/4 of a mile northeast of here was the birthplace of Captain Ellis Harper. Harper's military service began with strong objection from his Unionist parents, Ezekiel and Sarah Ellis Harper. When he enlisted in Company 1 of the 30th Tennessee Infantry Regiment, Harper was captured at Fort Donelson on February 16, 1862, and was imprisoned at Camp Butler, Illinois. After a 5-month there, he escaped and returned to Tennessee. Okay, other side. And here we are on the other side of the sign. Okay, continuing. Here Harper was commissioned by Colonel John Hunt Morgan to form a company of partisans to operate behind the Union lines with primary objective of disrupting the L&N Railroad. Harper's activities continued successfully throughout the war. On October 10, 1864, Harper with his guerrilla? I'm assuming guerrilla band? It says guerrilla. Okay. Guerrilla band killed 4 Union soldiers and 2 railroad laborers near South Tunnel. Oh, I've been on that road. On June 25th, 1908, during an argument over gubernatorial race, Harper was fatally shot by William Soot in Lebanon. Okay, thanks for watching. Were you pooping? Okay, bye-bye. Hi. So, I've decided to make these videos a little bit more in-depth than just reading the signs. So I looked up, this is Captain Ellis Harper. He was a Tennessee captain. He enlisted in the 30th Tennessee Infantry and was captured at the Battle of Fort Donelson on February 16th, 1862. He escaped at an undetermined date and joined with General John Hunt Morgan, who procured a captain's commission for Harper. Harper's partisan rangers were along the Louisville and Nashville rail line in Confederate territory under occupation by Union forces. Harper and his men surrendered and were paroled May 9, 1865. These photos were borrowed from the Find a Grave website, and he is listed in 1862 as a prisoner of war at Camp Butler in Springfield, Illinois. After his capture at Fort Donelson, Dover, Tennessee, Ellis sent to the Yankee prison camp Butler, where several Confederates had their picture taken. I believe this was that picture, but I'm not sure because he has a gun. I don't know why if you're a prisoner you would have a gun, so maybe not. Oh, it says right here, the Colt Dragoon pistol was a prop and not one he carried during war. Ellis Harper was prisoner 1115, and he was not exchanged with the 30th Tennessee Infantry, but he escaped and made his way back home to head a partisan unit for the duration of the war between the states. His mother, Cat, get out of here. You're knocking the camera around. His mother was Ezekiel Harper, 1811, South Carolina, and died 1871 in Tennessee. Did I say mother? I meant father. Sorry. Father, Ezekiel Harper. Mother, Sarah Harper. His mother was 1814 to 1880, and she also died in Tennessee. And let me see. Hold on. Manhandle this mouse. Ah, there's his gravestone. And that information was the Tennessee State Marriages 1780 to 2002. His name was Ellis Harper. His spouse was Emma Price. Their marriage was the 23rd of September, 1875, and they were married in Wilson County. Okay, that's enough info. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bet you won't touch that button. Check it out.